ready to breathe life into your creations with a blast from the past. Let's dive into animation using Adobe Flash Professional CC 2015. First, familiarize yourself with the timeline, your animation's control center. Each rectangle you see is a frame to make something move. We'll use keyframes. Right-click on a frame where you want a change to occur and select Insert Keyframe. Now, let's draw something. Select the oval tool and create a circle on the stage. This is going to be our animated object. Go to a different frame on the timeline, right-click, and insert another keyframe. Now, move your circle to a new location on the stage. You've created the first 2 points of your animation. To fill in the gaps between these points, right-click on any frame between your 2 keyframes and select Create Classic Tween. This will automatically generate the movement. See that arrow on the timeline? That shows the tween, smoothly animating the circle between your keyframes. And that's the basic principle. Experiment with more keyframes, different shapes, and classic tweens to create all sorts of animations. Keep practicing, and you'll be making incredible animations in no time using Adobe Flash Professional CC 2015.